Welcome to Chrismass's channel. Today we are going, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Today we are going to make chips with my cousin. Welcome. Let us start.
Two hours later.
Ambia subscribe to Chrismass channel.
Guys, have you subscribed in my cousin's Chrismass channel? If not, why would you not subscribe? Like this video, subscribe.
So guys, my niece is here to help us know how to make these chips. So we are going to start by drying the potatoes, and that is what we are doing right now. So guys, watch until the end, you'll see the results.
Guys, when drying your potatoes, you can use any of the you can also use your serviettes to dry your potatoes. On our today's video, I want to give them the direction on how to marinate our chips. Then they'll go ahead to put them here after marination. So, on our today's video, Sophie and Sasha, we are going to marinate our chips. So, we'll start by putting our salt, like 1 tablespoon of salt, or maybe 1 tablespoon and a half, according to the size of the amount of your potatoes. And next we add our cooking oil. Guys, in our today's video, we are not going to use the fried one. We are using the oven, so we are not going to use a lot of cooking oil. So you add like that. Then after putting our cooking oil and our salt, I will leave them to marinate using their hands. And your hands clean?
Yes.
So you will marinate like this one.
Okay.
Marinate. Make sure that each and every piece of our potatoes marinate very well. guys, after our marination, our cooking oil and our salt, I will leave them to arrange all our chips here on our baking basin. So I'll just show them, then I will leave them to do. Guys, while baking your chips, ensure that the oven is at 150 degrees, and then we are going to cook them for 20 to 30 minutes. So guys, watch till the end. Remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I'm very sorry that there is the footage that was deleted without my notice. Sorry guys.
30 minutes later.
Here's our final chips. This is how they look. By the way, guys, the chips were very crunchy and soft, and no more cooking oil in our chips.
Guys, have you
That is the end of our
subscribed
today's
in my cousin's Chicks Mwangi channel? If not, why would you not subscribe? Like this video and subscribe.